Hey guys, it's Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video. And you know this property where I just did the bushes here a few weeks ago. So now we are going to do the mulch. Everything is prepped in the beds, everything has been sprayed. So we're gonna start down by the road, the walkway, we'll do the front of the house, this little tree, and then we're gonna try and make it around to the fence over there, and the pine tree, and this tree over here. So customers were limited on how much they wanted to spend on mulch, so we're going to use it sparingly. We're going to start in the front and then work our way back. So just a short video here just to get it going, and I will do another one about halfway through, and then I will do the finished walkthrough. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right guys, well here's the finished product. I didn't give you a video halfway through. It started to get really hot out here and we just wanted to get it done. So everything down by the road, this tree here, front flower beds, down the side of the house there, this front flower bed, the walkway, that tree, that bed, this front. So yeah, customers absolutely love it. They said it looked amazing and I got paid, so I'm happy too. So that's it guys, a short video. I know not much to really see on mulch jobs, you just throw mulch. And I did this fence line over here up to the garage and all those through there. So that's it guys. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there in this heat. Look out for one another. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.